How to install Waka TV on Smart TV. I'm going to tell you how to install Waka TV on your smart television. Since Waka TV isn't available in the official App Store, we'll need to sideload it. First, go to Settings, Security and Restriction, and make sure to enable unknown sources because this will allow your TV to install apps from outside the Play Store. Next, go to the Google Play Store or whatever the Play Store of your smart TV is and search for Downloader. Install it. This app will help us download Waka TV. Now, open Downloader and in the URL bar, type wakatv.net, then press go to download the Waka TV APK file. Once the download is complete, select Install and wait for it to finish. If you see a security prompt, confirm the installation. Now open Waka TV from your apps menu, sign in or create a new account, and you may start streaming.